Hey, so good morning. I want to talk this morning about reheating oils, ano? And this is very common dyan sa Pilipinas. And in fact, maalala ko noon is ang aking nanay, lagi yan nagre-reheat ng oil, ano? Nangingitim na yung oil. sa karirihit niya, ano? Kasi syempre mahirap ang buhay, ganyan talaga. So, ang mahal-mahal kaya ng mantika, ano? But reheating oil is very bad for you. And those people who consume this reheated oil is harming themselves. Why? Kasi nagre-release ito ng mga aldehydes, and these aldehydes, in so many research, it's attributed to a lot of poor health outcomes like diabetes, hypertension, and even cancer. So stop consuming foods that are heated in reheated oil. Thank you.